Hi everyone, let me introduce GENWELD's industrial-grade portable gasoline welding generator, a real workhorse. It supports Mma, cellulose, and Tig welding with 200A and 250A options. Perfect for regular or tough jobs. Powerful yet compact, it's easy to move, for wheels, handles, and a top lifting hook for flexible use anywhere. Better yet, it welds and generates power, synchronously or independently. Strong auxiliary output handles all industrial power needs. Built with a streamlined, modular frame, it's simple to operate and maintain. Plus, it's CE and EPA certified for quality you can trust. Great for outdoor or industrial sites. Minimum order, 5 units. Price, $2,500 each. Fast delivery. Don't miss out.